We are explore how to create cinematic shadow tones. How to create cinematic shadow tones. Start by opening your photo in Photoshop and duplicating the background layer to preserve the original while developing deep tonal styling. Add a curves adjustment and pull down shadow regions slightly to establish richer darkness without losing texture. Next, apply a color balance layer and shift shadows toward cool hues like blue or teal, which creates the dramatic depth often seen in cinematic frames. Insert a gradient map using dark complementary tones and reduce opacity